Welcome to this installation guide for Litcore PS-Wall paneling. Video will walk you through how to install our PS-Wall siding panels. PS-Wall panels come in two widths, 155mm and 215mm, and are available in a range of custom lengths and colors, making them versatile for any project. The panels connect seamlessly with a tongue and groove design. One side is fixed to the structure using hidden fasteners, while the next panel slides into the groove, concealing all the fixings for a sleek finish. For fixing, we recommend flathead timber screws or a nail gun. Fixings should be placed at 300 to 400 mm centers. Note, the panels don't come with pre-drilled holes, so you can either screw directly through the panel, pre-drill each fixing point, or use a puncher for quick, clean fixing points. Installation starts from the bottom of the elevation, using a J-channel or J-trim. This trim is fixed to the bottom counterbatten and sets the level for the entire cladding area. This is where you take your panel height measurements, from the J-trim to the eaves. PS-Wall panels are up to 20 mm deep, so for external corners or the first panel, we recommend using an 18 mm plywood, OSB board, or timber lat as backing. This creates strength and support for attaching the flashings later. If you're starting from an internal corner, begin by installing a vertical J-trim. Your first panel will slide into this trim, ensuring a neat edge. For external corners, begin by fixing 20 mm thick timber to the structure. Install your first PS panel over this timber. Use a spirit level to make sure it's plumb. After fixing the first panel, slide in the next, locking it into place, and keep checking alignment as you go. When you reach an opening, such as a window or door, it's important to align your panel layout. In this case, you may need to mix 155mm and 215mm panels to maintain symmetry or center an opening. Around windows, we recommend adding timber backing to raise the surface by 20 mm. This gives you a solid background for installing your cut panels and the surrounding flashings. Here, the installer cuts panels to fit around the window. Some panels require a drip fold at the top, like a mini Z shape to stop water ingress and direct it away. Important: never use an angle grinder to cut panels. It can damage the coating and void your warranty. Instead, use proper metal cutting tools like tin snips, a nibbler, or a circular saw with a metal blade. With your side and bottom panels cut and fixed, continue installing shorter panels under and beside the window, making sure the spacing and levels match. Panels under the window should be about 10 mm shorter. Other side of the window panel should be cut on-site accordingly. Next, install the top window pocket flashing. The top window reveal trim must be slid into the pocket flashing and securely fixed in place. Before making any cutouts, ensure it aligns with the structure, and drop the side window reveals at least 30 mm below the top trim. Followed by a drip flashing, shaped like an upside-down T. This protects the top of the window from water. The drip flashing must match the width of the side panels exactly, from one side to the other. Once the drip flashing is secured, continue with your PS-Wall panels above the window. If needed, a hermetic sealant like silicone can be applied to help prevent any potential water ingress. And work your way up to the top of the wall. If your wall has multiple windows or doors, simply repeat the same process. Background timber, cut panels, install flashings, and continue with cladding. Make sure the bottom panel aligns perfectly with the top one, and the drip flashing runs up neatly into the groove of the next panel. For external corners, we use a two-part flashing system. 1. Two pocket trims are installed 35 to 40 millimeters from the corner. 2. Then the final 90-degree corner trim slides into both pockets, hiding all fixings and giving a clean, finished edge. Let's talk about windowsills. These are custom made to match the depth of your window frame. Some on-site fabrication is required. Folds help make the sill watertight and blend with the cladding. Clip the sill under the window frame groove. This ensures water drains away from the wall, not behind it. Now install pocket flashings around the window reveals. Fix them into the frame and seal with a bit of neutral silicone if needed. Use additional 90-degree trims to cover external reveal corners and the exposed ends of your sill. Finish the window detail with an L-shaped reveal trim, sized to the window's depth. These trim pieces slot into the side flashings and can be secured with silicone for a perfect finish. And that's it. Your Litcore PS-Wall cladding system is fully installed. Sleek, modern, weather-resistant, and all with a hidden fixing system. For more tips, product updates, and flashing options, check out our full range at litcore.ie. Thanks for watching, and happy cladding.